Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here. I want to bring you another original knot. This is a Christmas knot. This is the Mapambo knot. That's the Swahili word for ornament. So let's go ahead and get started. This is my left side. It's at the belt line. I'm going to come over. Let me fix the tie up there. We're going to put in a nice dimple. Bring it over to the center there. Bring it back around. Come over like that. And then we have that. So then we're going to come back over like this. Fold it in half and put it through this loop here. Right there, we have that. Keep it folded in half. Come underneath it and around like this. Open this up and tuck it through there and push it down. Have that. Then I'm going to do the same thing again, fold it in half, kind of come at an angle like this, and come underneath. Come back up underneath it like this. I'm just gonna tuck it under there because I don't feel confident making another move with it. So there you have it. On your side, my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made. Catch you in the next video.